Hey there, what's up guys? This is me Kunal Mendiratta and thank you so much for checking out my review. Now, before I begin with my review, if you want my internet marketing coach to build your entire affiliate marketing business from scratch so that you can start to generate affiliate sales in the first 24 to 48 hours of starting, then I highly recommend you to click the first link in the description box below. Having said that guys, let me tell you about the 4 bonuses that you get absolutely free when you pick up the product from the second link in the description box below. Bonus number 1 guys, I tell you how to get 250,000 subscribers every single Friday and mail them with a self-hosted autoresponder. Bonus number 2, I teach you my free traffic method so that you can drive free targeted traffic to your blogs, articles and videos. Bonus number 3, I give you a video training showing you how to rank your video on the first page of Google and YouTube. Last but not the least guys, bonus number 4, I give you my mentor's high ticket course to sell it as your own and keep 100% of the profits. That's it guys, that concludes my bonuses. Just a gentle reminder guy, if you are someone who is struggling in your affiliate marketing journey and want my internet marketing coach to set up your entire internet marketing aka affiliate marketing business for you, then I highly recommend you to click the first link in the description box below. Thank you guys, like my video if you found it helpful. Please subscribe to my channel for my future review videos. And without any further ado, let's begin with the review.